I'm looking forward to this one. Right, there we go. A nice thin coat, really thin coat of the liquid clear. It's got to be so, oh, wrong finger. So, look, hardly anything on there. That's how thin it is. Let's start with some Indian yellow around here. There we go. Not much paint. Let's go with some. Let's get some crimson out. Crimson. I think literally sort of in most places. Let's just put this crimson on. Going to do quite a big sort of mountain scene. That's the idea. Okay, now I'm going to add a little bit of red to this in a few places, hoping that this is going to work. Right, a bit of red, okay, going on to the brush. Let's just see how this sort of goes on. Let's go around here, maybe. Let's go somewhere here. And let's get some white paint. Just going to put some long lines down here. I'm looking forward to blending this. Let's go something like that. Let's blend. Lift up. Doesn't really matter which sort of way I go on this one. That's so different, isn't it? That's so different. Get a nice mountain in front of that and that should look pretty cool. Just to put a bit here maybe. Oh yeah, that looks good. Lovely, jubbly. So yeah, a dark colour here. I'm just going to lay out some mountains. There we go. That's quite nice. Big steep mountain and go here. Something like that. Let's just pull this down. There we go. Something like somewhere to about there, I think. Yeah. If there's anyone new here, don't forget to check out the website. That'd be good if you can. Okay, let's create some snow and stuff. That one. Okay, something like that. Okay, let's have this one sort of. That's really sort of mixing with that sort of crimson now. Crazy what we can do. So yeah, I'm just doing a little bit of blending here in the middle. You can probably just tap a little bit of in there, a little bit of sort of mist. I'm just adding some white here. Something like that. There we go. Right, I'm just going to blend all this out now. There we go. Some crazy effects. Some crazy effects there. Look at that mist, that's insane. Let's go down. There's a little misty sort of patch in between them trees. Come on, let's create some more mist. Really like that mist, so I'm not going to get rid of too much of it. I want it going up into the sky, because I think it's quite, we'll have it going right down here. Okay. Plenty of paint on here. It's more bushy, so I'm just going to do it. Not so much of a see-through one. More highlights on this one. Again, I'm going to quite cover this up. Lots of paint. And then we'll put some highlights on, and that'll bring it alive. I might just put, might do one side of the tree. I'm going to do one side of the tree like pink, and then the other side sort of blue. Very little colour. Go something like just trying to keep up. Just see how this looks. Okay. Stay. So you could just sort of do something like that. Look. Here we go. These are the colours that I've been using quite a lot of lately. Just some little pinky sort of one there. We can add some little twigs and sticks. There's obviously thick paint going on. It's building up quite nice. '11th, 23. There's all the important signature. It's nice, isn't it, actually?